this year. I have a question for you. Should I shoot?
Go for it.
Okay. So, what, in your opinion, what would you say are the pros and cons of landscaping?
Well, that's a general question.
Okay, what do you like about landscaping?
Landscaping is like the body of your house.
Explain how.
You know, we have the internal part and the external part. Landscaping is basically like the hair that grows on your hair. It protects your house. Protects your house from erosion, flooding, from damages like foundational damages, waterlogged areas and shit like that. And it gives beauty to your house.
So, what do you not like about landscaping?
Well, I wouldn't say there's anything I don't like to see. I'll just say
But the job is hard though.
the job is quite labor intensive.
Oh. Okay. Thanks for your opinion. But you guys did a really good job on this work, you know.
Good job.
What's your best part of the job so far?
The best part of the job is every part. Starting from the plants to the river wash.
Yeah, I really love the
To
plants.
the limestone, black limestone, giving it that nice trim and
Contrast.
uniqueness. And then to the pavers at the back, the water flow pattern and the artificial turf.
Nice. Thank you so much.
Able to play on. Yeah. Make sure you patronize Kian Town.
Yep.
We love you so that my belly can go down. Thank you. Bye.